Welcome back, everybody, and welcome to the next installment of Great Snowstorms of Port Ludlow, Washington. This one's entitled The Great Snowstorm of 2025. This footage was taken on the afternoon of February 5th, 2025. A little snow off and on for the next couple of days, and on the 7th, the snow stopped falling. The sky started to turn blue, and Port Ludlow's North Bay was simply a winter wonderland. Just beautiful. Our total snowfall for this event was about 4 to 6 inches, depending on where you measured it. Close to 30 degrees most of the time, so it wasn't super cold. Just super pretty, especially once the sun came out for a few days. These were the afternoon of the 7th. By the 11th, I was back to shooting real estate. In fact, I was up shooting in the hills above Port Ludlow. The sun had pretty much evaporated everything. It wasn't so much a melting process. Still stayed in the 20s, low 30s. Turned out to be a pretty typical snowstorm for Port Ludlow. Can't wait for the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.